Hey, let's draw and color this eye using simple tools. Here are the materials we're going to use. An HB pencil, a regular eraser, a pencil eraser, a ruler, and of course, a sharpener. And these are all the color shades we'll use to bring the drawing to life. You can take a screenshot or pause the video anytime you want to review any step you might miss. And I'm very happy to answer any questions you have. Just leave them in the comments and I'll reply. The first step in drawing the eye is using the ruler to draw a straight 10 centimeters line. Next, I'll start by drawing the tear duct. It's the front part of the eye where the tears are secreted. Then we draw the eye itself by creating an upper arc and a lower arc, making sure the ends of both arcs meet at the ends of the line we drew at the beginning. Then erase the 10 centimeters guideline. I prefer using the pencil eraser because it helps remove small details without accidentally erasing any important parts of the drawing. Then draw a small curve that separates the tear duct from the pupil. Now, draw the iris in its full circular shape. Make sure the diameter of the circle drawn in the center of the pupil is 4 centimeters. Now, erase the parts that extend beyond the pupil, both above and below. Now, draw the black pupil and add the white highlight in this net-like pattern. Then draw a small curve opposite the tear duct. From there, draw the upper eyelid line and also the lower eyelid line. But before completing the lower eyelid line, draw a small curve extending from the tear duct beneath the white part of the eye. This step is not necessary at all, it's just drawing a small crease in the skin above the upper eyelid. Above the small curve we drew in front of the tear duct, draw the starting line of the eyebrow. Draw the eyebrow hairs as if you're drawing gentle ocean waves. Let's start coloring our drawing. Here, I started coloring using a circular motion. This coloring technique is my favorite because it gives a more realistic texture to the skin. We need to pay attention to the dark areas, which are the shadows, and also to the light areas, which are where the light hits the face. I always like to experiment by blending colors together, but in a logical way. I think about whether a color is dark or light. If it's dark, I place it in the shadow areas, and if it's light, I use it on the highlighted areas where the light hits. In the shadow areas, I apply multiple layers of color, unlike the light areas. Notice that I press harder on the upper eyelid lines so they don't get lost among the layers of color. While coloring, we don't leave any white areas except for the highlights. Every part of the eye should be colored, including the sclera white of the eye, using a mix of gray and light blue, and apply the colors gently without pressing hard. To color the most important part of the eye, the iris, first outline its inner edges with black. Then, use a light brown pencil to draw thin lines inward like this. Near the edges, add zigzag lines next to the black so that the edges are the darkest part of the iris. And that's it for our eye drawing tutorial. I hope you enjoyed following along and learned some helpful tips for creating realistic eyes. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more art tutorials, and leave a comment below showing me your version of the drawing or asking any questions. I'd love to see your work.